Hey, it's Gareth here from Port Monkeys. And Janet. And we are getting off the ship today in Fuerte Amador, Panama. It's the port for Panama City, which you might see out the back there. It's a bunch of tall buildings. And it's after 1 p.m. because it's been raining all day. And this is new. Last time we were here, this wasn't here. So I don't know how new it is, but I know it wasn't here. Check the video.
2019?
It was 2019, right before COVID. Anyway, it's been raining, thunder, lightning all morning. So we hung out on the ship. Of course, all aboard time isn't until 8:30 p.m. So we got a lot of time. I think we're just going to walk around the dock. But I will show you where Panama City is. It's about a 15-mile drive from
I was in the Asian countries in the winter.
We'll see.
I was in Asia in the winter, so you go here.
Just go out here. There's the city. So it's a lot of tall buildings, right? I mean, a lot of tall buildings. I think the rain's let up, but we're going to find out, well, the hard way. So we're going to walk all the way down this walkway into that building, I'm guessing. A couple hotels out here. We're on actually an island. Fuerte Amador is an island or islands with a causeway linking it to the mainland. Tomorrow, Panama Canal. So there were the doors we just came through. And there are people selling handicrafts and liquor and cookies, purses, right here in the terminal. And that's $3.95. You should know the Panamanian Balboa is equivalent to the US dollar. Almost exactly. If not exactly. The escalator. Going down, and look at this place. This is super fancy. And it is definitely not here. But I'm going to stop saying it. Hey, big letters saying Panama. Have to visit them. Guard. Here's a little video about, or a time lapse about the construction of this. No, I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing. I'm going to go outside here and see what's up. Now, I had heard there were people out here selling tours, but oh, here's a guy. What? Here's a board. Hi.
All right, so you need a touch of service, sir?
Not right now.
Are you ready? All right, here, ready for you. Okay?
Okay. Giant letters are there. That's the terminal. Brand new. And here's a sidewalk. And several passengers are walking somewhere. I notice on Google. So the terminal's way over there. We're turning this corner, making a left. Gonna check it out over here. There's restaurants, there's Flamenco Dry Stack. I think it's boat storage. So this is all for boats. Guards guarding that area. Get in. Fence across the side. Oh, whoa. They don't even want you to see what's in there. Ah. Well, the guard said we could pass. Spend our dollars. Shopping center. Ciao Bella. So there's a lot of restaurants and food places out here. Liquor store. Haven't seen any real gift shops, but we haven't looked that well yet. This place says it's open. I think when we came here before, the ship either docked out here or dropped anchor and we tendered in. But it was this place. Let's walk out to the point here. Is that a cat? That's a raccoon. You see it? Yeah. Or Panamanian, you know, a different kind of animal that looks like a raccoon. Ooh, this is soft. So over there is Panama City and the Grand Princess and the terminal. So here's a little store and they have those. Pastries, sandwiches, I would call those empanadas. We'll go in there in a minute. There's a market in Panama. Party gifts or PTY gifts. Pretty young thing? No, that's PYT. Oh, this is a tight space. Hey, they sell them too. Do they call it an empanada? Yeah, they call them empanadas. So there's a ladies' restroom here. ATM machine. Medicine, snacks and beverages, cold beer. Hopefully, the guys' restroom, right? Maybe it's on the other side there though. That's the Ciao Bella restaurant. And the Islander magazine. So women's restroom there, men's restroom there, food place there, and then Amphora duty free. Let's go in. Hi. Excuse me? Oh, okay. Mix and match, 5 for $16. T-shirts, 3 for $27. Original Panama hat. Here, are these free samples? Perfume, hot sauce. La Piton, sauce picante. Hi. Cash registers. Oh, this is the hot sauce she's displaying. Well, that's what there is in Fuerte Amador, Panama, near the terminal, near the cruise ship.
That's without taking a tour or anything.
We've walked about 2¼ miles so far since we left the ship, and we're almost back there now. You can see the terminal there in front of us. So, you know, most people go to Panama City or go to the canal or whatever. Of course, tomorrow we're going to sail through the canal. But, you know, that wasn't our point today. Our point was to show you what's near the ship. And this is what's near the ship. See it over there?
If you just want to get out and walk.
Yeah, it's not really that long a walk either.
No.
So from Fuerte Amador, Panama,
I'm Janet.
And I'm Gareth.
And we'll see you in the next port.
Bye.
Bye.